Zolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 10th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 10 reads, which choice best describes the data from the table that support Barrett and Rayfield's suggestion? When you get this type of question, here it asks for a suggestion. If it asks for a claim, a conclusion, hypothesis, argument, assertion, any of those things, you want to look in the last sentence of the paragraph. For the same word in verb form, here we have it, suggested. So that's one thing we got to focus on. Now, sometimes these questions, more than one answer choice is true based on the table, and then you've got to go to exactly what the question's asking, what the passage is saying in order to get your answer. Let's tackle it. So the title of the table, Estimates of Tyrannosaurid Bite Force. We've got the study, and it looks like it's the name of the scientists who conducted the study, the year of the study. Estimation method. So you see muscular and skeletal modeling. There's a couple of those. Teeth-bone interaction analysis and body mass scaling. And then you've got that approximate bite force in newtons. What you might notice is that here's a really low bite force. Here's a super high bite force. And these two are similar in their estimations of bite force. Notice also muscular and skeletal modeling are similar here as well. So tooth-bone interaction is the lowest, body mass scaling is the highest, and the two estimation methods that are the same gave very similar approximate bite forces. Let's read the paragraph. Largest tyrannosaurids, the family of carnivorous dinosaurs that includes Tarbosaurus, Albertosaurus, and most famously Tyrannosaurus rex, are thought to have had the strongest bites of any land animals in Earth's history. Determining the bite force of extinct animals can be difficult, however, and paleontologists Paul Barrett and A.B. Rayfield have suggested that an estimate of dinosaur bite force may be significantly influenced by the methodology used to generate that estimate. So what's the suggestion? It's this right here. Estimate of dinosaur bite force may be significantly influenced by the methodology used in generating that estimate. And that's exactly what we saw. We saw that muscular and skeletal modeling have those midline bite forces. Tooth-bone interaction analysis have the lowest bite force. Body mass scaling has the highest bite force estimates. Let's go to the answer choices. Answer choice A. The study by Mears used body mass scaling and produced the lowest estimated bite force. Let's first see if that's true. Mears body mass scaling. It's not the lowest estimated bite force. So that's gone. That's just literally not true based on the table. And this is the method I recommend you use, by the way. Look at the table, see the connection there, see if it's true, and then take it one step further. Check the question along with the passage. Answer choice B. In their study, Gignac and Erickson used tooth-bone interaction analysis. Let's make sure they did, and they did, to produce an estimated bite force range with a minimum of 8,000 and a maximum of 34,000 newtons. So that is true based on the table. Now, you might leave it there for now, or you might look in to see if it's making the point that you need it to make. And actually, it's not making the point you need it to make, because in order to see the relationship between methodology and the estimated bite force, you need more than one. This is only showing you one estimated method and its corresponding bite force. Answer C. The bite force estimates produced by Bates and Fallingham and by Cost and others et al. Were similar to each other. Is that true? Cost, Bates, and Fallington? Yes. And notice they also both use muscular and skeletal modeling. While the estimates produced by Mears and Gignac and Erickson each differed substantially from any other estimate. So that is true, and they did use different estimation methods than anyone else. C looks like it's our answer. Let's look at answer choice D. Is it true based on the table? The estimated maximum bite force produced by Cost et al. Exceeded the estimated maximum produced by Bates and Fallington? It did. So you've got 63,000 on the top end versus 57,000 on the top end. Even though both groups of researchers use the same method to generate the estimates. True, but this is opposite of what we're looking for. We're not looking for differences in the same estimation method. Based on what's suggested, we're seeing that the estimation method influences the approximate bite force. And once again, suggested estimate of dinosaur bite force may be significantly influenced by the methodology used in generating the estimate. Answer choice C is your best answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with graphics on reading or cannot make that connection. When you see the word suggestion, look for the word suggested in verb form in the last sentence of the paragraph. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. It's in this playlist. Go to YouTube. Go to the playlist that says Test 2 Module 2B. It's reading and writing the harder set of questions, and the shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. Have a great day.